I was over at my neighborhood cabinet recycling center this morning and came across a couple dozen of these drawers. Baltic birch, clean, and I thought it would be perfect for under my sink as a pull-out drawer. So let's put it in. I'll put it in under my bathroom sink, kitchen sink. Maybe I'll even come up with something else for them. $4. How can you beat that? I just bought some drawer slides. Inexpensive, so we'll put these on and see how it works. Take them out of the package, of course. Let's see what we have. So this will go on the frame, and this part will go on the drawer. So what we'll do is just attach it. There's a left and a right side. This has L, so it'll go on the left side. Put one there. And we'll obviously attach one on the other side. All right, let's do that. One of the first things after you take out all the cleaning supplies from your base of your cabinet is to make sure your drawer fits. And what that is, it's got to clear these hinges on both sides. And it's got to be making sure it's not too deep. So that all works all that way. And so what we'll do is put on a couple drawer slides and attach it in there. This type of drawer slide, the wheel goes in the back, and I'm going to mount it on the bottom of the drawer. We'll do a pilot hole. I always like to use a little wax. Because these are so small, I'll just do them by hand. Same thing for the other side. Wheels in the back. Go round and round. I have them all the way forward. The slides to the front. Well, there's one part of it done. Now for the next part. This is the part that will go on the cabinet. We have the part that's on the drawer. This part goes on the cabinet. And on this part, the wheels are in front. And what I did was cut a couple boards, one for each side, that will act as the side of the cabinet. So we'll put this on as if it was the side of the cabinet. And I'll show you how that's going to work. So let's go ahead and just drill these in and well, I got the two sides that'll go on as if this was the cabinet. What happens, this will just slide in, and that'll be on the side of the cabinet. We'll put spacers in here. So let's go do that next. I put the drawer flush right. So I need to measure this area, which turns out to be 3 1/4 inches. I'll divide that by 2, cut some spacer blocks for each side, and that's our next step. Here's my 2 drawer slides with the spacer that I attached to them. I just quickly glued them on. One will go over on this side, of course. There's the other one with a little piece of scrap wood. And that'll go on that side. So I'll just screw them down now and we'll see how the drawer fits. Well, there it is. Both runners screwed down with the spacers. I used number 8 screws, 1 1/4 inch. Well, there it is, all set. Easy enough, and it works. Slides as it should. Well, thanks for watching.